and welcome to an overview of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Field Service. Today I want to frame Field Service not as a scheduling tool, but as an operational transformation platform. Service organizations today are under pressure to improve margins, increase asset uptime, and to elevate customer experience, all while controlling labor and other costs. Dynamics 365 Field Service provides the digital backbone to modernize service delivery. This discussion will focus on business impact, operational control, and measurable outcomes. While this is more of an overview or a summary video, please check out my other field service videos that go in depth on all of these features. Field service organizations operate in silos. They dispatch people using spreadsheets. Sometimes they use whiteboards for that. Technicians rely on phone calls, SMS messages, even paper. And then finance and accounting wait on all of that to come back in so they can invoice customers. The results are hidden costs, underutilized technicians, repeated truck rolls. We have to go back out to the same job multiple times because we didn't have the right parts at the right time. Inventory write-offs, we've lost track of things. It just disappeared. It's probably underneath somebody's seat in their truck or something. Revenue leakage and delayed billing. Executives lack real-time visibility into field operations. That lack of visibility creates operational risk and margin erosion and higher costs of repair. So what is Dynamics 365 Field Service? Field Service centralizes operations into a single cloud-based platform. It connects customer data, work management, resources and scheduling, field execution, inventory, billing. From an executive perspective, this creates a closed-loop system from customer request to revenue recognition with transparency at every step. So on the work order side of things, structured work orders drive standardization and control. So instead of tribal knowledge or inconsistent service execution, you gain defined tasks. The required parts that are needed, that you have those before you leave for the job. Labor tracking, travel, on break, actually working, and then asset history. This improves service quality, supports warranty tracking, and protects revenue integrity. It also provides historical data that enables strategic service planning. So scheduling and dispatch, this is where margin improvement becomes tangible. The system matches technicians to jobs based upon skills, availability, territory, priority, all using Microsoft's Copilot, or their artificial intelligence tool. The impact of this is higher technician utilization, lower overtime. They're able to do more work within a standard workday. Reduced drive time because it's optimized between one stop to the next. And improves the first-time fix, just like I said before, that they have the right parts at the right time. Dispatch moves from reactive coordination to optimized orchestration. The mobile side of things, the mobile capability eliminates paper. It reduces the administrative lag. Technicians are able to access job details. They can capture photos and notes and signatures. Even payment if you're doing direct-to-consumer type services. They're able to record parts and labor, so in real time we know what our inventory levels are. And then they're also able to close their jobs. For finance, this means faster billing. As soon as the technician is done, we could be invoicing that at that point in time. For operations, it means accurate data. For customers, it means professionalism and transparency. On the asset and preventative maintenance side, this is where I've gone deep into preventative maintenance capabilities of field service in another video, so check that out. Proactive service is significantly more profitable than reactive service. With full asset visibility and preventative maintenance scheduling, organizations can reduce emergency calls. They can improve the uptime of those assets, and they can also extend the lifespan of those assets. If you couple that with IoT, or the Internet of Things, this shifts the business model from break-fix to predictive service and recurring revenue opportunities. On the inventory side of things, inventory mismanagement is one of the largest hidden costs in field service. By tracking the truck stock, the inventory that the technicians have on their vehicles, and then also your warehouse inventory in real time, organizations can reduce the repeat visits because the technicians have the parts with them that they need. That improves the first-time fix rates. It controls shrinkage of parts that are roadable, that they can be, when I take a part off of an asset, I can bring that part back and we can refurbish it and we can use that again. And that's all using field services RMA, or return management authorization capabilities. And all of this goes to protect working capital. It drives operational efficiency. It also drives balance sheet improvement. Because field service is part of the broader Dynamics 365 ecosystem, it integrates directly with sales, ERP or finance, and analytics. With this connected solution, executives gain real-time key performance indicators such as technician utilization rates or asset utilization rates, service level compliance. How are we responding in the time that we're contractually obligated to respond? Revenue per technician, mean time to repair. This transforms service leadership from anecdotal management to data-driven decision-making. So the business outcomes here. Organizations that implement field service effectively achieve improved first-time fix rates, increased technician productivity, faster billing cycles because of the mobile side of things that we've talked about, improved customer satisfaction, and then stronger recurring revenue models. The larger strategic shift is this. Service evolves from a cost center to a competitive differentiator. So, in summary, Dynamics 365 Field Service modernizes service delivery. Field service is just not an operational tool, it's a strategic platform for modern service organizations. It provides visibility, automation, optimization, and predictability. For executive leadership, it reduces risks, improves margin, and enhances customer loyalty. In short, it operationalizes service excellence. So for more details on the capabilities of Dynamics 365 Field Service, please take a look at my other videos where I dive deeper into all of these capabilities. Thank you all for your time.